To today's lesson on Revit. In today's lesson, we shall learn how to draw the grid of our G+5 story. So the first thing we do in previous video, we learned that the shortcut for grid is GR, or you can come to structure and select the grid here. So selecting your grid at this point, then dragging it from up down will give you. So you can see that. So once you press escape, you see it has placed it with grid number 1. So we are going to draw a 4-bay grid here and also 4 in the other direction. So go back to GR. Now, since we know the spacing from this point to the next point is 4 meters each, so select this and put offset 4000 millimeter because the unit is in meters. So place it opposite it. Now you can see number 2, place again number 3 and number 4. So since it's going to be, this is 1 2 3, so we need one more and place, so number 5. So once we are done with that, we need to draw our grid in the horizontal line. So we select grid again, or GR, select it and draw your grid horizontal in this direction. So I can start here with A. Okay, so now you can see the number is 6, but I don't want 6, I want it with alphabet A. So double click it, press your letter A and it changes. Okay, so the next thing I want to do now is to offset it. So select it, select grid GR, choose this, your offset distance 6 meters. Okay, so place 1 2 3. So we are okay with this. So escape. Now I can see that the grading is too large, so what I can do is select it and drag it closer to it. Okay, so select this also, drag it closer to it. Yes, then drag this also closer. Yes, and this also closer. Okay, so we are done with it in the level 2. So once you go to level 1, you also see it similar to it. Then you can delete the analytical, we are not using this. Delete level 2, we are not using this. Okay, now what I can do again is I can decide to move this. So highlight it, come here, move. So you can see the shortcut MV, so you can move it to whichever location you want. Okay, and I can move this to MV to whichever location I want, and move this to whichever location I want. Sorry, escape, then MV to move to whichever location I'm convenient with. Okay, so in the next video we are going to be talking about how to do different levels for each height, for each story height. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any question, you can always drop it in the comment section.